All right, last time, friends, we talked about adding 3 one-digit numbers. Hopefully you were able to find each group of 10 to make a 10 with 2 of the digits and add the other digit to find your totals. So you should work on page 33, find the video from the last, from Tuesday if you haven't done that yet, and then come back to this video. All right, so for page 34, you're going to add 4 one-digit numbers. Add in any order and write the sum. So here, Savatari said I added 4 plus 4 to get 8. Then I used the 2 to get to 10. Then 5 more gave me 15. Whew. So they had to remember 4 plus 4 plus another digit plus another digit. So don't forget any of the numbers that you're trying to add together. Victor said I added 4 plus 4 and got 8. Then I added 5 plus 2 and got 7. So 8 plus 7 make 15. Same answer. Marisa said, I have another way. I added 4 plus 4 to get 8. So they all started there. Then I added 5. I know that 8 plus 5 is 13, and I counted on 2 more. 14, 15. And so I got 15 as well. Same answer. So you can do it, add any 2 together first, and then add another and another. So maybe you see a way again to make 10. Maybe you see a double. Use a strategy that works for you. Now there's 8 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2. So Carl said I added 8 and 2 and got a 10. And then I added 8 and 5 and got 13. To add 10 and 13, I just thought about 10 and 10, which is 20, and then 3 more, which is 23. Isabella said I added 8 plus 8 and got 16. Then I broke the 5 into 4 and 1. So I could use 4 to make 20. Then I just added in the 1 and the 2. So my answer is the same, 23. Aiden said I added 8 plus 8 and got 16. Then I added the 5 plus 2 and got 7. I didn't know what 16 plus 7 was, so I counted on from 16. I used my fingers to keep track of the 7. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. The total is 23. So you see how each person did it a different way. So there's more than one way to solve a math problem. See if you can tell someone a couple of your solutions as you make them. Maybe tell your teddy bear or your dog. So work to complete page 34. There are also some vertical form, addition and subtraction problems on the page. So here is what we started with on the last lesson. Which 2 numbers did you add first in exercise 20? Which 2 numbers did you add first in exercise 22? So when you came up with them, hopefully you found a strategy to solve your problem. You can think, have I showed each step of my problem solving strategy? So make sure that someone else could clearly follow. If I look at your math, I should be able to see, oh yeah, they made a 10 and then they added the 2, or whatever your strategy is. I used a second strategy to find the sum. So find another way and see if you come up with the same answer. I showed each step of the problem solving while using the second strategy. And I numbered the problem. I answered the problem correctly. So that's your success criteria to see if you were able to find different ways to come up with the sum of adding these 4 digits together. So on Friday, we will do a quick quiz about all we've learned in math so far. All right, good luck. You've got this.